Morning. So today we are fitting a new boiler in Preston, a new Worcester Bosch 8000 life combi boiler. Really good boiler, premium boiler. The old boiler is leaking and it's 15 years old and there's numerous problems, so we're going to fit a new boiler today in Preston. Stick with us. I'll show you a little bit about what we do and what's happening, and we'll see you soon. So, just finished a new boiler in Preston for a lovely couple, a nice gentleman called Rikesh. He's had the Worcester Bosch 35 kilowatt version, so he wanted to future-proof his home, make sure he had as much as he could for his budget, and he's now got the peace of mind of knowing that he's got a 10-year guarantee with that, and it's a really good boiler compared to his old leaky boiler, which had just given up on him. So yeah, tough job, but really good. Like to thank the customer for looking after us with tea and just letting us get on with it and do what we needed to do. We've got everything done, new boiler on the wall, got some chemicals in the system, gave it chemical flush, and he's had new wireless controls. So if you need your new boiler and you're in Preston area, that's absolutely fine. You can get an online price with us on this website, or if you need a bespoke quote and you need a site survey, you can book straight online as well. But yeah, really good job and a nice boiler, good warranty, really good boiler.